Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is talking about is meeting with Plank Boss, and whatever came up in social media about him, earlier when Plank Boss was talking about some situations or things that went on with him and Erica. So go catch the video.
If any of you thinks I hate Plankabas, that will be the furthest thing. Hi, Shanna K. I'm only seeing you now. I'm so sorry. I see you now. The conversation was, I'm not going to say amazing because it wasn't amazing. I'm not going to say it was amazing. It was okay-ish. You ain't going to tell me when to get to no point. If you don't listen, get off the live, Ian. Get off the live. You can go. You can go. Go in peace. Have a great day or night, whatever time it is in your country. Please share my video. Share my video. Share my video. Only to my supporters, the ones who are here for me. Please share my video. Why is it so dark? Why was it okay-ish? Is because I know a lot of you remember, right, when something happened when on another occasion and me with my enough self called, it was a big issue. Honestly, I went there. I have admins. They're probably just sleeping right now. When I went there, I'm going to say again, I had zero problems with the conversation. Some parts of it maybe, but not everything. Right? When I came out and did my other live, not it wasn't so much about my appearance. It wasn't so much about my appearance. It's just it was when other people was inserted into the conversation, and that part bothered me a little bit. But not even that was enough to um take away from the fact that I was there to meet her, and I felt amazing. Even if other people's names were inserted into it, I did not care. I was in the presence of Planka Boss. I was in her presence. Finally, I was in her presence. Yes, finally, and she smelled amazing. And any of you tell me I was fake? Any of you tell me I am this and I am not. That was the genuine Dwayne Fletcher. That was me. Don't give me no exclamation and thinking I'm gonna give you no damn explanation, Keisha. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I already said when people's names were inserted into the conversation, that is where I had a problem with Keisha, whatever your name is. That is where the problem came into it. Because I'm like, hold on, I'm here to see you. Why are these people's names being inserted? However, I still didn't make it bother me. I still didn't make that bother me. I saw past all of that because that was not the focus of why I was there. The focus of why I came was to see her and to finally make her meet me in the flesh, right? Whether people was going to ridicule me or not, I did not care. I didn't care. I wanted to meet her. I made up my mind this time. This trip, I made up my mind. If she's on the island, I am going to see her. Come with me. And I did. And I'm thankful I did. Right? However, However, the YouTube live was the problem. The YouTube live was the problem, not the live at a property. The YouTube live was the problem for me, right? I am no hypocrite. I am no hypocrite. And if something bothers me, one thing with me, as long as I keep it respectful, and I know I never once cursed her. So whoever want to tell her, oh, Dwayne cursed, you doing, what is your definition of cursing? You people are so uneducated, a lot of you. And whoever ran to her and tell her I cursed her, maybe you should have encouraged her to listen to the live I did pertaining to the live she did on YouTube. Maybe you should have. Now I've realized some people want to come hop on my page and come and trying to be disrespectful to me, calling me all kind of names because I came out and I spoke my truth. Listen, none of you can calm me down. None of you can calm me down. I'm gonna speak. I live in Great Britain. I live in the United Kingdom of Great Britain where I have freedom of speech. I live in a democratic society. And if something rubs me the wrong way, I have the same way she can take to her YouTube live and speak things about me. Why can I not take to my live and speak how I felt about it? Who do you people think you are? One thing you need to understand about me, I am not worshipping nobody on here. I ain't worshipping nobody on here. And not only that, if you guys listen to the live carefully and keenly, you will hear yourselves. A lot of the things she was saying, she said in that live, it's like to say she was siding with X, Y, and Z.